Hi guys, it's Ilene here and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you stopped on by, and today I have for you a Dollar Tree haul. I've been searching and searching this whole past week for the new good finds at the Dollar Tree, and I found a whole bunch of exciting, fun new things that the Dollar Tree has that I wanted to share with you guys. I would love for you guys to comment down below and let me know what items that you found or you're looking for, and let me know what that may be. You could let me know your favorite item that I found at the Dollar Tree this week. So if you like videos like this, and I'm also going to be doing more DIYs real soon, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified of my future uploads to come. So I'm going to be starting off with my favorite find from the Dollar Tree this week. It happened to be this beautiful background behind me. I found this photo backdrop and I thought this was so adorable. Now, being that I'm a Dollar Tree fanatic and I love it, I had to at least get a backdrop to put in one of my Dollar Tree videos. I love the beach. This couldn't be any more perfect. And what this package came with was, you see the big piece here, and then it comes with another extended piece for on the floor. So I guess if you wanted to shoot some fun little scenes, have a little fun, get on the floor, make it look like you're laying in the sand, you could totally do that with this. Another thing that may be more practical for some other people is you can use this in your backyard somewhere, behind a table or a bar area in the summertime when having some friends over. So I thought this was just too cute to pass up for a buck. So that was my favorite find. The next thing that I found were finally these pineapples. They came to me. These are so adorable. I love them. They had them in the white, the gold, as well as a silver finish. I picked up these two because these were perfect for my home decor, and I just absolutely love them. They seem to be really nicely made, and I just thought these would be the perfect addition for the summertime to decorate around the house. What was so ironic that I finally found the pineapples was they also had the pumpkins. Now we got summer and fall all at one time in the Dollar Tree, but I know if I were to pass these babies up, these would not be back for me to find once fall arrives. So I decided to go ahead and pick up a couple of little pumpkins for myself, and I picked up a couple for my mom so we could have these all set and ready for when fall comes around. I have to say, as a summer beach lover, I am in no hurry for fall just yet. So let's continue to enjoy the summer. Going with the summer theme, I purchased this Rust-Oleum brand NeverWet. This is a multi-surface liquid repellent treatment. It has 2 cans in here because it's a 2-step process. This is great on metal, concrete, and wood, and it's also great on aluminum, galvanized metal, PVC, masonry, asphalt, vinyl siding, plastic, fabric, leather, canvas, and more. So for the summer, this I thought would be amazing to use on the outdoor cushions, anything that you want to kind of give a little seal, maybe even some garden ornaments. This NeverWet is also, it repels water, mud, ice, and other liquids. This will be excellent not only for the summer, but in the winter if you want to spray down your boots. You don't want the outside suede or material to get ruined. This is definitely a go-to product. All you gotta do to use this is to spray the base coat on and you let it dry for 30 minutes. And then you put on the other coat and you let it dry for 30 minutes. 2-step process, done in an hour, and you can seal up just about anything. I have already hauled one of these storage vegetable containers, and I've already used it, and it does preserve your fruits and vegetables a lot longer. This is reusable. This is freezer and dishwasher safe. Does not go in the microwave, so don't put that in there. It gives the last time a lot longer than it would be if you just threw it in the regular bag or a regular container, because I've used it. I found the mini cooking colander. I've been looking for this. This is by Cooking Concepts, and it is just so adorable. It actually could hold a fair amount of fruits or veggies if you're just rinsing off a bunch full of grapes to have as a snack, or I may just use it as a mini basket to put on my kitchen counter with, you know, some fruits that are ripening still before I put them in the refrigerator. So I picked one of these little mini colanders up as well. They had also a lot of these new little framed saying picture art. I'm not quite sure what you'd want to call them. They had a whole bunch of them. They have on the back a stand, as you can see here, and you could just put this out. You could even put a command hook on the back and hang it on the wall. This one is Sip Happiness, It's Okay to Whine. So I thought this was so adorable. I love to drink wine. I can be known to whine, so this was perfect for me. I picked one up for my mom as well, and that was the elephant one. It says dream big. My mother loves elephants. Tons and tons of things out for schools. I don't know why it's so early. Once again, I am so not ready to be purchasing school supplies. I don't even have the list yet, but they have tons of products. They even have Crayola products. They have so many items. They have whiteout, they have good markers, pens, everything is out there right now. So I purchased, this is a locker buddy. This is a cat and it goes on a metal surface, and I just thought it was adorable because I love cats, of course, and I'll probably just stick this on the side of my refrigerator. That's what I want to do with this. But if you have little ones that are, you know, in school, or they have a gym locker or just a regular locker, or even for yourself at your work locker or on your fridge like me, you can get these locker buddies. They have them in a few other animals, a bird, maybe a cow. I don't quite remember. I think I took pictures. I hope I did. Otherwise, hopefully you guys find these little locker buddies. Going along with hanging things on my fridge, they had a lot of new magnetic clips. So these were by Jot. These are heavy duty. These feel heavy, super heavy. They had other ones that were 4 in a pack that weren't heavy duty, but I thought these would be good for my calendar because my calendar is always flopping down. And if you find these magnetic clips at Home Depot, they could be at least $3, $5. So this was a good find. The other thing that I like to find are the light up LED tea light. It is a tea light, and it comes with all these decorative gems in the packaging here, and I used this in a DIY just recently. I figured I would just pick up one just to have as a spare. You never know at the Dollar Tree, things come and they go. You could see it now, you may never see it again. You may see it again in a month, 6 months. So I just figured I'll grab one. That's the thing with the Dollar Tree. Sometimes you buy things you do not quite need. If you guys are with me on that one, comment down below. So moving along to things that everybody needs, or most people I assume do need, are garbage bags. This really wasn't the most exciting find, but it was my most practical find. I purchased, it's 28 of these mini little bags. I put them in the bathroom. I don't even change it every week. Sometimes I'll try and just get away with dumping what's out in the bag into the main garbage. So 28 of these for $1 will last me quite some time. And then I also got these large garbage bags because who wants to necessarily run to another store? I did not want to. I was at the Dollar Tree today on my lunch. This has 7 bags in it. This will get me through for a little bit so I don't have to go to another store, and I will have garbage bags. There are still a few things that I am dying to find and share with everybody that some people have found, but not quite everyone yet, so I'm hoping it's coming to my Dollar Tree real soon. And I will be on the hunt for some of those new items, and I can't wait to get back to you guys. I plan to continue doing my Dollar Tree haul videos weekly, as well as my DIYs as much as I possibly could squeeze in. And so if you guys enjoy watching videos like this, please comment down below. Tell me what was your favorite item I hauled, what items you're looking for, what you like, don't like. I would love to get in touch with the people who are watching me, my audience, my YouTube family, get to know you guys more so you could get to know me more. If you like videos like this, please don't forget, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified of my future uploads to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.